Would you like to solve the problem of repeated account suspension on Google Ads? Here is the solution for you. Get a Google partner to manage your advertisement. If you have been suspended severally and you have tried everything possible to resolve the issue unsuccessfully, you can solve this problem and run your advert on Google Ads with the help of Google Partner. I've been doing this for a lot of businesses, and this has been the solution to help them overcome the repeated account suspension. If you're in a location where you're having difficulty in paying for advertisement, you can actually use consolidated billing agencies to pay for your advertisement, and with the help of the Google partner, you'll be able to run your advertisement without facing repeated account suspension. However, if you are present in a location where you don't have access to consolidated billing agency, you'll be able to use virtual card to pay for your advertisement, and with the help of your Google partner, you'll be able to run your advertisement successfully. I've done this for a lot of businesses, and if you want me to help you to overcome repeated suspension on Google Ads, I will definitely accept your offer and help you manage your advertisement and run your account successfully. So if you have been facing repeated account suspension on Google Ads and you have tried everything possible to get your account back, but it's not working, go ahead and look for Google Partner, and then you'll be able to run your advertisement without any problem. I'm a Google Premier partner, and I've been doing this for a lot of business, and that is why I'm suggesting this approach for you to be able to overcome repeated account suspension on Google Ads. If you want to work with me, go ahead and look at the link anywhere in this video. Click on the link and visit my website and send your request, and I'll be glad to work with you.